What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and update on Space ID and the ID token. We're back again. We're going to do a full technical update again after yesterday we were very bullish. We went up to $1.05. Broke above $1 briefly, but we did not hold it as a support, so perhaps that's a bit bearish. But altogether we'll just do a full overview on it. Everything that can happen, can we get to our next price target, which is $1.2, and just everything you need to know. So that's what we'll do in this video. Now before we get into Space ID specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join, but also trading results, everything you need to know. We just hit a take profit on Bitcoin. But alright, now onto Space ID. So again bullish, volume again at absolutely crazy amounts. I mean, at some point of time Space ID is going to crash very, very badly, but it doesn't look that close yet. It's right now everything is still bullish. If you take a look at the technicals, I mean, we just found quite some strong resistance at $1. But I'll name you all of the support levels we have close to us. First of all, 92 cents, 90 cents, 86 cents. 83 cents, all strong support levels. So yeah, even though we just found some resistance, everything technically is still very bullish. The thing though is that I genuinely do think that Space ID is manipulated. This much volume from Hotcoin usually is a very bad sign, or at least it's a sign that it's manipulated. It's a very bad sign. It's obviously subjective because even manipulated cryptos can still be very bullish, like we've seen. So at some point it's going to fall, but it's the big question when it's going to fall. For now, as I said, we're still bullish. It's probably going to fall a bit more once the volume drops down to like right now, drop down to a minimum of 500 million, around that. Once the volume drops down to like 300, 250 million, then we're probably falling. Then the momentum is out. But now there's still so much momentum. I mean, I would only say that to do a quick recap of yesterday. The big thing is that you have to keep the key levels as support levels that you have just broken above. So right now our main support level is this level right here around, well, what is it? 93.3 cents and 90 cents ultimately. We can drag it down to 90 cents. This is our main support level. So as long as we're above here, we're still very, very bullish. And I think we can at least initially stay on top of this. I mean, it's if we do not get that bullish breakout above $1 in the next 24 hours, we might see that bearish break retest, but then we still have 83 cents. So yeah, it's at this point in time, I actually do think that technically it's the most likely scenario that we'll find support here, consolidate, and then at some point break above $1, confirm it, and get up towards 1.2. 1.2 really is the next strong resistance level, but one thing that is true is that we're quite at high levels price-wise. Basically everything above $1 can be seen as a psychological resistance level. So 1.1, 1.15, 1.2 could all provide resistance. We'll have to see. It's now all about holding that 92 cents level. If for some reason we break down below that, it's quite a lot of bearish confirmation. Then we'll drop down to 83 cents, and from there we still have a chance. But if 83 cents breaks as well, then it's over. All right, that would really be the scenario in which I would say, all right, now the bullish momentum is gone, sell. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on it for now. As I said, for now we are still very bullish. So I want to thank you all for watching and listening. If you have any questions, always let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.